Alright, today we're going to talk about how to use or how to create your first page of an essay in MLA format using Microsoft Word. We'll talk about using Google Docs later, but for now we're just going to focus on Word. So you'll go down to the bottom to your Start button, and then you will click on Word. It will open up a screen that looks like this. Click on Blank Document. Now, one of the first things that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to enter a header. So if you double click up at the top of your page, it'll open a header box. Go to the top up at your ribbon, and you'll see a button that says page number. It's right here. You will click on page number, go to top of page, and then go to plain number 3. Now once you do that, it will automatically change your page number for each page of your document. If you just type in a number 1, then it will carry the 1 over throughout every page of your document, and you don't want that. So make sure that you go to page number and insert the page number first. After that, you're going to type in your last name and then put a space. And that is your header. That'll be on every page of your document. After you've inserted your header, you're going to go back to the lower portion of your document. Just double click and it'll pull you into the regular first page. Go up to the top where it says line and paragraph spacing, and you are going to hit the down arrow and hit remove space after paragraph. For some reason, Microsoft Word decided that they would put a space after each paragraph, and that is not a part of MLA format. So you want to make sure before you start typing anything that you remove that extra space after paragraph. After that, you're going to go up to the top, click on line spacing again, and then you'll go to this one that says 2.0. That's going to make your document double spaced, and that is also a part of MLA format. Now, after you have the format of the page set up, you're going to insert your heading. Now don't get your heading confused with your header. Your header is going to be on every single page. It's the page number and your last name. Your heading is on your first page only, and the first line will be your first name and last name. After you've typed that, hit enter, and then you will type in your instructor's name. After you've typed in the instructor name, then you will go to the next line and you will type in the class period. So let's just say English 11. After that, you're going to insert the date. Now be sure that you put the date that your paper is due, not the date that you are typing, okay? Because that's when you're formally publishing your paper. So let's say the paper is due it's due tomorrow on June the 10th. You will do 10 June 2015 because that's the date format that you need to follow for MLA format. Now, if you look, you have your complete heading. It's double spaced. You have your name, the instructor name, the class, and the date. So, after you have inserted your heading, you're going to go to the next line, and then you'll go up to the top here, and you'll click on center. Your title of your paper is not going to be special at all. It's not bold, not a different size font, not a special format, except it's going to be centered. So type in the title of your paper, and then you go to the next line, and you're going back to left align up at the top. So click on that, and then you will start typing your essay. Make sure that at the beginning of each new paragraph you indent the first line of the paragraph. Just hit the tab button on your keyboard and it'll move it over automatically for you. After that, you just start typing your sentence. So once you get to the second line of your paragraph, it will automatically double space it. There's not anything else that you need to do. So that's what your first page of your essay should look like.